What's the power source of this?
It's battery.
Battery?
It's fully electric.
Battery?
Yeah.
What kind of battery? 60?
Sorry?
60 or others? You know the military of America? They have a 60 stack.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. It's standard lithium-ion batteries.
Your own battery?
Yeah. We custom build the batteries.
Okay.
It's purely because we want to really make it such that it can fit in a certain form factor.
Yes.
Even if it's the 60 kind of, but those are primarily more for the armored vehicles and
armored vehicles.
yeah.
Yes.
So the whole idea of this platform itself is designed specifically more towards the commercial use case. Commercial use case. Yeah. So the military.
Actually, I still can use it in the military field, right?
Yes, right. But we are trying not to go to the point where the price point of this guy becomes so exorbitant that it becomes
60 is too expensive.
Yeah. We are aware because we have been testing out with a few of the systems, some of the battery systems.
Okay, I understand.
So this itself is more towards using more commercially available.
Commercial standard.
Yeah, commercial standards.
Understand.
Yeah.
So how many kilowatt hour do you have in your battery?
Kilowatt hour, how much for this guy?
Which one?
Kilowatt hours.
Kilowatt hour. 9 kilowatt hour.
9 kilowatt hour.
It can run for about 4 to 8 hours depending on the loads, right? But we do have swappable capability for the system. So the batteries, why we mentioned that we have to custom it is because we are making it such that it's a lot more easier in terms of the logistics as well.
Yeah.
So once you can do
you can replaceable, right? Okay.
So if you need something to run persistently, especially if you have so the whole intent of this guy is more for logistics or casualty evacuation. So for example, if you have disaster relief.
I saw that. Casualty.
Yeah. So if it's for disaster relief, for example, right, you need a triage point to the ambulance point, which may be a distance away.
Yeah.
You can. The whole idea of this device is it has a follow me function.
Yeah. So this is remote control.
No. So it can be remote control.
But you still have to control people should have.
So I'll get to that, right? Because this device, right, is designed such that it can do a follow me.
Yeah,
so
follow you.
If I don't know how to use the system, I don't need to be an engineer to use this device.
Okay, you use the device and
I just need to click one of the buttons here. I start mission. It will start to follow me.
Okay.
So
only recognize your figure.
Sorry.
Recognize your figure or follow your device. Some of
my figure.
Your figures,
Yeah.
right?
So it will just follow me.
So you have the video camera in front of it.
This is the LiDAR, obstacle detection LiDAR.
LiDAR, okay,
yeah.
LiDAR.
We have cameras there as well.
Okay.
But we have the LiDAR here as well.
Okay.
The intent is really more for us such that as we move along the platform, right, we are walking beside this platform and not in front of it.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Beside and in front of.
Yeah.
Either way.
That is more for obstacle avoidance.
How do you replace the battery?
Sorry?
How do you replace the battery? I didn't see any.
We have the cabinet here.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have the cabinet front and rear. We just take it out, swap it out. Actually, it's in the video as well.
I think inside there's no battery, right?
Sorry?
No battery inside, right?
There is.
There is?
There is battery.
Can I see the battery?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. So the whole idea is really more for the people to transport this from point to point. Once they map one time, the platform itself can go autonomously on its own. You don't need one guy to follow this platform around.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. I saw that. I saw American military already have this kind of device, right?
Yeah. So I think in terms of unmanned ground vehicles, it's not uncommon. But specifically is how are you going to use the device and how do you get the people to use the device according to suit your use case.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw there's a Chinese here, right?
Yep.
So your battery and this system design are all from China.
We work with different suppliers. We don't really limit ourselves to any particular supplier. So for commercial devices, commercial platforms, yes, we do use Chinese products. Then of course we have to see in terms of the use case. For more ruggedized versions, we use American or European products as well. So I think the one that you see right at the front, right, that is a much higher version of what we have here. Because we want to have two different classes of products. Because one is if we want to target the commercial customers, the price point for a military-based product is a bit too high for them to use in the first place.
You work with Chinese company. I noticed that.
Yeah, we work with multiple. So we don't limit ourselves specifically to one particular vendor.
That's why you can work with Taiwanese company too, right?
Work with what?
Taiwanese company.
Yes.
We are doing the battery system.
I see.
If you
no issue. So long as it's battery power supply systems.
That's right.
I think in terms of Taiwanese, no issue. When it comes down to military as well.
Of course. Because we manufacture from cell to a system, including the BMS. We design by ourselves and manufacture it in Taiwan. So there's no.
We work with different battery suppliers. It really depends on. So
that's great.
There is no like limiting factor.
Do you have the business card?
I don't have it with me. I have it. But this is my old card.
Old card?
Yeah.
But this is your company?
ST Engineering.
ST Engineering. ST Engineering. I heard about it. I must have some contact before with your company.
Maybe.
Okay. Thank you. If you need battery besides China, come to us.
Sure. Actually, we use quite a range of batteries. Our armored vehicles, we cannot afford to use Chinese batteries.
Of course. Yes.
So
we are doing military battery. We are doing 60 for
60.
USA. Yes. US.
I know.
It's very difficult to do.
So of course the price point also will come.
It's expensive. Cannot use it for commercial.
So for commercial, that's why we try to kind of isolate as well. For public security and more for the commercial use cases, the customers are a little bit more open for us to use any type
I understand. Actually, we do commercial also. Because in Taiwan, we do the bus, battery, and also the small